Today we're going to announce the winner of the $320 PRV audio speakers. If you love ICEPower as much as we do, you need to check out their all-new amplifiers and cables to take your DIY projects to the next level. Does the perfect stereo desktop amp exist? Possibly, especially if you pair this with the DTA 100 LF as well. Perfect your desktop sound the clean and easy way. Patented ResCore technology is what powers this unique driver. If you're looking for high excursion capability, minimal compression, and smooth frequency response, check out this speaker from Dayton Audio. It's the perfect time to build that outdoor sound system for your backyard or patio. Learn how and get everything you need all at Parts Express. Dayton Audio has just introduced even more exciters that work with their interchangeable mounting system, or IMS. Replace or exchange drivers the easy way with IMS exciters only from Dayton Audio. And speaking of Dayton Audio, the new BST 300EX can deliver an impressive 300 watts of power. If you want to take your home theater to the next level, check out the BST 300EX. All right. Well, thanks to PRV Audio, we are giving away a pair of 6-inch mid-range neodymium speakers worth $320. And the winner of those drivers is Joseph R. from Newark, New Jersey. If that's you, Joseph, congratulations. We'll be in touch soon. Attention all audiophiles. The Parts Express 2023 Speaker Design Competition is happening soon, and we are inviting all enthusiasts to join us. That includes anyone who wants to throw their hat in the ring as well. Details for entering and/or attending are on partsexpress.com. We hope to see you there.